children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to our school, Sri Vedanta Universe School. My name is Lakshmi Shri. I will teach you mathematics. Everyone is ready, children? Very good. What we learned in previous class? Yes, we learned about capacity rise, right? Yes. How will you measure liquids? Yes. What are the units? Very good. Liters and milliliters, right? By using those units, we can find out the capacity of that object. Right, children? Very good. In today's class, we learn about some problems. Open your workbook, page number 14. In that first one, see, solve the following word problems. Okay? In these problems, you have previously you learned in addition, you learned only addition word problems. In subtractions, you learned only subtraction word problems. In multiplications, you learned only about multiplication word problems. But in the division, you learned only divisions. But here, by using all those, you have a questions here. Okay, children, in one problem, you have additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions. We have to use all those. Okay. So, understand the question clearly first. Read question along with me, children. A box consists of 4 identical watermelons. The total weight of the box is 6,000 grams. Find out the weight of each watermelon. Did you understand? See, a box consists of a box. Okay, children? A box consists of 4 watermelons. Okay? In this we have 4 watermelons. The total weight of the box. See how he is measuring weight? 6,000 grams. We can find out the weight by using grams and kilograms. Right? Here the weight of this total box is 6,000 grams. Now, what we have to find out in this question? Find out the weight of each watermelon. We don't know each watermelon weight, but we don't know the weight of 4 watermelons. Okay? Then, how can we find out each watermelon weight? For example, you have 4 apples. Okay? And the weight of total apples is 8 grams. So 800 grams. Okay. The weight of these 4 apples is 800 grams. What is the weight of each watermelon? What is the weight of each watermelon? Yes, see. 200 plus 200, 400 plus 200, 600 plus 200. So the total weight we are dividing into 4 parts because here we have 4. See, 800, 200 plus 200, 400 plus 200, 600 plus 200, 800. Here we have 4. That's why we divided into 4 equal parts. But every time we can't find out like this. But for the smaller numbers we can find out. Then what is the way of finding out this? See, here 800 grams, right? 800 divided into 4 parts. Because here we have 4. So by divided by 4. Right? You know division. Right, children? So, what is this? Dividend. Then the denominator is divisor. So, write dividend inside. then denominator. Okay, what we have to do in first step? Check the first number, 8. 8 is bigger than 4. So, we can multiply. 4 2s are 8. When we have zeros here, simply you can add 2 zeros here. 2 zeros. 800 minus 800, 0. Instead of doing in many steps, when you have zeros here, if it is any other number, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can't do it like that. But if you have zeros here, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So you can add 2 zeros here. If here is 3 zeros, you can add 3 zeros. If it is only 1 zero here, you can add only 1 zero. Okay children? With zeros we can do it. So, now what is the weight of each apple? 200 grams. Same way, we have to find out the weight of each watermelon. Okay? We know the total weight. What is the total weight? 6,000 grams. And how many watermelons are there? 4. Yes, now we have to do the division method. Okay, here we have 6. Right? 6 is bigger than 4. So, we have to write the nearest number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. If you are doing with 2, it is crossing 6. So, 4 ones are 4. Okay. See, if it is exact number like before, 800 divided by 4. 4 twos are 8. Here we got the exact number. So here 2 zeros, we added 2 zeros. But here not exact number. This is less. So here no need to add zeros. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then bring this 0 down. 20. Where do you get 20 in 4 table? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. See, here we got same number. And how many zeros left? 2 zeros left. We can write 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here. Yes children, 2000 minus 2000 is 0. Okay? Yes. So, what is the weight of each watermelon? Yes, each watermelon weight is 1500 grams. Okay children? Yes, this is first one. Then read second one. A red colored ribbon was 50 centimeters long. What is the length of a ribbon? Yes, it is 50. For example, this is a ribbon. The length of this ribbon is 50 centimeters. Sonu cut 37 centimeters of ribbon and used it to tie some flowers. Okay? How much he cutted? Yes, he cutted 37 centimeters. From here to here it is 50. From here to here it is 37. So from here to here he used to tie flowers. Now, how much is left? The total is 50 centimeters and he used, how much he used? 37 centimeters he used. Then how much is left children? We have to find out. See, if you remove this from total, you will get from here to here, right? Yes, this is the total length of the ribbon. From this, remove whatever you used. Total is 50 centimeters. centimeters. From this I used 37. Now how much is left? 0 minus 7. We can't do it. So borrow 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So here it will become 4. 4 minus 3? 1. Now after cutting 37 centimeters, how much is left, children? Now this is 13 centimeters. Total from here to here it is 50. From here to here 37 he used. Now we have 13 centimeters. Our question is not yet finished, children. See, he then tied, means added, attached a green ribbon. Okay, first he used a red color ribbon. He cutted red color ribbon and then he added green ribbon which was 62 centimeters long. So this is left, right, red color ribbon. For this he added 62 centimeters ribbon. Okay. So what is the length of the new ribbon? Okay, children. Now we have this 13 centimeters because this already used. 13 centimeters left. For this he added 62 centimeters of green ribbon. Now what is the length of this ribbon? We have to find out. Okay. So to find out the 13 centimeters plus 62 centimeters. If you add those two, you will get the total length of ribbon. So already we have 32 centimeters here. Then add 62 centimeters. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 6, 7. So now the length of the total ribbon is 75 centimeters. Okay, children? Yes. So this is the way we have to do it. Same. Third one. A box of books is 6 times heavier than a box of apples. See, here is a box of books. Okay. And we have one apple box. These are the books. These are the apple. A box of books is 6 times heavier than the box of apples. 6 times heavier means 6 times ఎక్కువ బరువు ఉంటాయి. ఈ యాపిల్ బాక్స్ కంటే బుక్స్ 6 times ఎక్కువ బరువు ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది కేజీ ఉందనుకోండి, ఇది 6 kgs ఉంటాయి. 6 times more. So this is 6 kg means this is 6 6 are 36. If it is 2 kgs, this is 6 times heavier means 2 6 are 12 kgs, like that. And see here, the weight of the box of apples he has given. The weight of apple box is 15 kg. Express the weight of the box in kg. So this you have to do it, children. Just I will explain it for you. This is apple box. This is books box. This books box is 6 times heavier. And 6 times బరువు ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది దీనికంటే. But then we know the weight of this. How much it is? 15 kgs. This is 6 times more. Yes, how we can find out? 6 times more. For example, this is 2 kg. If it is 2 kg, 6 times more ante what we are doing? 2 6 are. We are multiplying this weight 6 times. So now see here, this is 15 kg. 6 times more means 15 into 6 you have to do it. Okay? If you multiply 15 6 times, you will get the weight of books. That is your homework. And fourth one. A bag which consists of candy bars weighs 1 kg. A bag which consists of candy bars. The weight of the candy bars bag is 1 kg. If the weight of each candy bar is 50 grams. Okay? The weight of that bag is 1 kg, and if the weight of each candy bar is 50 grams, total weight of bag is 1 kg and each bar is 50 grams. What we have to find out? Find out the number of candy bars in the bag. Okay? Here he did not given how many candy bars are there. But he has given the total bag weight and each candy bar weight. Okay? So to find out that each how many candy bars are there, what is the procedure, children? Yes, see here. Total bag weight. This is in kgs, this is in grams. First you convert these kgs into grams. 1000 grams, right? Divided by 50 grams. Division. See, 1000 divided by 50. Okay? 50. 50 is here, but here is 10 only. So take three digits. 100. 50 ones are 50. 52s are 100. See here we got the same number. How many zeros left? 1 0 0. So how many candy bars are there? 20 candy bars are there in your bag. Okay children, this is fourth one. Okay children, then you have to do it only third one, that is today's homework children. All of you understood? I hope you understood. If you still you have any doubts, you can contact me children. Okay? Okay children, then bye for today. See you in tomorrow's class.